All right. Got my little intro of the new office. As you can see, it's a new office build. This is a full view of it. You can see the bottom cabinets is basically my storage cabinet, but I'm using it as the actual frame. We put the white with the black drawers and the black or the gray with the white drawers. We put the little lift on it for two reasons. Number one, as you can see, the RGB lights or light strips are underneath it. That changes colors. And then also I use it for storage. And then I got that Selena's Kitchen's countertop at back-end marble effect, the white with the splash of grays. And then as you can see, very, very, very minimalistic. That monitor stand is going to be for two monitors. Right now I just have my one, but it can handle two, and it can be in horizontal or vertical or both. And as you can see, my RBG lights, it actually changes to 16 million different colors. So right now I have it on random, but you can actually ask Google to change the light tones. So, hey Google, turn the desk lights to purple.
You got it. Changing desk lights to purple.
Hey Google, change the desk light to green.
Sure, changing desk lights to green.
So however you're feeling, if you're feeling good, joyful, you feeling happy, you can have certain colors. But let's say you feeling like beast mode. Hey Google, change the desk light to red.
Sure, changing desk lights to red.
Hey Google, change the brightness of the desk light to 100%.
Sure, set desk lights brightness to 100%.
Hey Google, set the desk light to blue.
You got it. Changing desk lights to blue.
So whatever you're feeling, you can have that. But one of the coolest thing I did this time is as you can see, you barely see any wires. I did very good organization for wire organization. There's a lot going back there, but you don't see it. I also made it because this desk is really far away from where you're sitting from the PC. So I actually put the turn on button right under here and a USB extension right there. So that way it's easy to reach for anything. So you don't have to have a bunch of stuff going on the desktop. Got room for a lot of stuff. Got my headsets charging underneath, the bass box, all that good stuff. My speakers, my wireless charger, my cup holder, and the prized possession, as you know, I know you're eager to look at it, is the PC box. As you can see, it's an open concept. It's from Thermaltake, thermaltake.com. It's an open concept. Literally, you can stick your hand in it and touch everything, but it's not for that. It's just for an open concept. So, I want to do something different. Behind it, I hid my little server, little cloud backup external drive and my Wi-Fi. So when you're in the office, you really don't notice it, but I still wanted it there. As you can see, I want to give you guys a real good view of this PC box, man. It's freaking awesome. It's 4 poles holding it together and tempered glass on the side. And as you can see, I got the RPG fans going. It literally changes all the colors of the rainbow. And it's by Corsair. Changes from blue, green. And I can change the settings of the colors where if the computer If the computer is hot, it'll turn red. If it's cool, it'll turn green and so forth. But I have it just going all the colors of the rainbow. Got my graphics card right there, GeForce GTX 650 Ti. You already know I only do SSDs. I got the old CZ SSD. And let me give you a little closer look. I'll organize all the wires in a good way. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, let me show you how you can actually control the colors. This one's not by voice. It's by software. I have it on rainbow, but you can do a spiral, you can do color shifts, you can do temperature, whatever you want to do. Right now I have it on spiral, where it just spirals all the colors in the spectrum. And also the CPU cooler water pump. I don't know if I mentioned it's a water pump system, and the CPU actually has its own color spectrum going too. Yes, sir. Well, that's the changes we did in the office. You already know, you see my future dream car, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, big body SUV. Yes, sir. So yeah, got my new office, got my Spectrum lights, RGB lights, supercomputer built faster than ever, sound system good, and that's it. So now that the office is removed from the old room, now we can make room for the new, what's the word I'm looking for? The new delivery, the new addition to the family. Our baby boy. All right, I'll see you guys later. And I hope you liked this video. And if you did, like, comment, and subscribe. Ross32. Peace.